Bitcoin 101 Frequently Asked Questions Part 8 Question number 71 to 80 www.learnbuySell.com
71. I sent too small of a transaction fee. Is my Bitcoin lost forever? $72. Why does my Bitcoin address keep changing? $73. How much will the Bitcoin transaction fee be? Why is the fee so high? $74. Do I need to configure my firewall to run Bitcoin? $75. How does the peer finding mechanism work in Bitcoin? $76. Is Bitcoin mining used for some useful computation? $77. In Bitcoin mining, why don't we use calculations that are also useful for some other purpose? $78. How can we stop Bitcoin miners from creating zero transaction blocks? $79. How does the proof of work system help secure Bitcoin? $80. In Bitcoin mining, why was the Generate Coin option of the client software removed?